1 year into this pandemic, the lockdowns are back, flights are being banned again, and even with the vaccines being rolled out, the number of new cases is rising. The victim this time is the United Kingdom. A new strain of the Wuhan virus has gone out of control. You may have heard about this, the Mutant Wuhan Virus. The situation is quite serious. This one is more infectious. It spreads 70% faster than other variants. It was first detected in September. By November, about a quarter of cases in London were of this new variant. By December, it spread to more people. 2/3 of the total infections were of this mutant Wuhan virus. More cases were reported last week. In London, they doubled, with at least 60% of the patients carrying the new strain. With numbers like these, you can understand how quickly this variant can and has spread.
The new variant is out of control and we need to bring it under control, and this news about the new variant has been an incredibly difficult end to, frankly, an awful year, and it's important for everybody to essentially act like they might have the virus.
More than 15 million people will remain under lockdown this Christmas in the UK. There is an emergency lockdown in large parts of the country. The rest of the world has shut its borders for Britain. More than 20 countries have now announced travel bans. The list includes India. A ban on flights will begin midnight tomorrow. It is a temporary suspension that will last until the 31st of December. But is it too late already? This new strain of the virus has already managed to escape the UK. Australia, Denmark and the Netherlands have identified patients that have this mutant Wuhan virus. Reports say Italy too has one case, a patient who recently returned from Britain. Some reports claim that a similar strain has been found in South Africa as well, but scientists say it appeared independently. There's no definitive link to the strain in the UK. So here's a question that's on everyone's mind. Should you be worried? Is this mutant virus more dangerous? It certainly moves faster, but that doesn't mean it's more fatal. Here's Sir Mark Walport, the former chief scientific advisor to the British government, explaining the findings so far.
This virus has absolutely no emotions whatsoever. It is changing. And it's been necessary to change in response to this new variant, this new strain that's emerging. And these are appropriate restrictions. The new strain is more transmissible. If there's one piece of good news, it doesn't appear so far that it causes any worsening of the disease, which is important. And as far as we know at this stage, the vaccines should still work against it. But it's a difficult time.
Viruses mutate all the time. Even in the case of flu, the virus is constantly changing, which is the reason why flu vaccines are often updated from one season to the next, so that they work during the flu season. The case of the Wuhan virus is no different, really. It has seen many mutations already. Were all of them deadly? The answer is no. Only a handful of these variants were of significance. So what happened in the United Kingdom is not unique, and yet it is significant. In some cases, when a virus mutates, it gets an advantage. In this case, this strain, this new mutated strain, seems to infect the cells of the human body much faster. 70% faster is what experts have established. Changes have been noticed in the spike protein of the virus. What is a spike protein? It is the same protein that binds a virus to the human body. This is what leads to infection. So the latest strain has increased the rate of transmission. More people are getting infected, and this could add to the burden of cases, which is why the United Kingdom found it necessary to impose tougher restrictions. British scientists have published an early description of this variant. It suggests that the new strain could have developed in someone who suffered a chronic infection, possibly because of a weak immune system. The contagious nature of the virus of this particular strain has led to a spike in cases. So as we wind down 2020, it looks like things will get worse before getting better. Thank you for watching Gravitas on WION's YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date with what's happening around the world, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching WION. World is One.